Heavy rains that pounded the southern part of the capital, Guatemala City, from afternoon to evening triggered widespread flooding in several densely populated areas, particularly in Nueva and San Miguel Petapa. The heavy rainfall, coupled with strong winds comparable to those seen in hurricanes, left the drainage system unable to cope with the volume of water, causing the floodwaters to quickly spread into main roads and residential areas. One of the worst-hit areas was along the Platanitos River, which overflowed due to the intense rainfall. The overflowing river carried mud and other debris, inundating roads and residential areas in the Petapa area. Water levels reportedly continued to rise rapidly, leaving residents with little time to rescue their belongings. In the El Frutal neighborhood, Zone 5, Villanueva, conditions were even more dire. Water levels reportedly reached depths exceeding 1.5 meters, submerging vehicles and cutting off transportation. Roads turned into raging torrents, resembling temporary rivers, posing a danger to anyone traveling through. Many vehicles, both cars and motorcycles, were trapped in the floodwaters, while drivers were forced to stay in their vehicles while awaiting assistance. Video footage and photos widely circulated on social media show the severity of the situation on the ground. Several users shared moments of vehicles being swept away by the current or trapped amidst the rising floodwaters. In some videos, residents were seen attempting to evacuate by walking through water nearly chest-deep, demonstrating the significant level of danger. Flooding not only affected roads but also inundated homes and businesses in various locations. Water entered buildings, damaging furniture, electronic equipment, and merchandise. Many residents were forced to flee without securing their belongings. This situation added to the burden of losses faced by the local community. The situation worsened with reports of infrastructure damage due to prolonged heavy rains. In Villanueva, a perimeter wall in a residential area reportedly collapsed, exacerbating the impact of the existing flooding. The collapse of the structure increased the safety risk for nearby residents, especially in areas with unstable soil. The National Coordinator for Disaster Reduction, CONRED, confirmed that a perimeter wall in the Catalinas del Paraíso II neighborhood, Zone 5, Villanueva, collapsed due to water pressure and saturated soil. In a statement, CONRED stated that heavy rain was the primary factor triggering the collapse. Authorities have received a report of the collapse of the perimeter wall in the Catalinas del Paraíso II residential complex. Coordination with the municipal government of San Miguel Petapa, as part of the CONRED system, is currently underway to implement cleanup and impact management efforts, the official statement said. Joint personnel and local government officials are now mobilizing quickly to respond to the emergency situation. Evacuations of affected residents, clearing debris, and monitoring of river conditions are ongoing to prevent further disasters. Residents are advised to remain vigilant for possible further rains that could exacerbate the situation. This disaster serves as a reminder of the high vulnerability of urban areas to extreme weather, especially in areas with limited drainage systems and high population densities. To date, there have been no official reports of casualties, but material losses are estimated to be substantial. Local authorities also urged the public to follow officials' instructions and evacuate immediately to safer areas if conditions worsen. Meanwhile, emergency response teams remain on standby to address potential further disasters amidst still unstable weather conditions.
Vaya que le voy a